Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to stop apps from tracking you. So I'm getting your personal information and things like that. Maybe some apps you do want to leave on, but some you do not want them to track you. So this is how we do it. We're going to go to settings. Once we get to settings, we're going to scroll down to privacy and security right here. And then in the front, you'll see tracking. So right now there's 3 apps tracking me. Go ahead and turn that on. And then you could go through your list and then see which ones you want to track and which ones you don't. Or you can just turn them all off one by one, or manually just go ahead and turn this toggle off. All right, guys. So this is, once again, let me show you. First, we're going to go to settings. Then from settings, we're going to scroll down to privacy and security. Then we're going to go to tracking. And then we're going to turn off the toggle, or you can go to each app individually and see which ones you want to turn off. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.